Welcome to the homepage of RX Fit. I am Danny, owner of the company. We are a personal training service. What we do is we come to you, bring the equipment, bring the knowledge, bring the service to make sure to get you to your goals. Now, we don't just do those easy goals like weight loss and muscle gain. What we also do is increase your quality of life, increase your energy, help with improving your sleep. There are ways to overcome these challenges in your life to actually reduce your stress overall and make life easy as possible. That's what we do overall. We're called RX Fit with a recipe for fitness. Now, go ahead and take a look around. Below you can see some of our services like personal training, semi-personal training. We also have a page on the side here where you can check out about us, check out what each trainer, what their specialties are, kind of their focus, right? Their overall charisma, if you will. Because you want to find a trainer that's going to help you be compliant for the long term. That's actually the biggest struggle. The information's all out there for everyone to get to their goals. The difficulty is, can we match the goals that you have to your lifestyle based on the knowledge that we have, right? So increasing the compliance so that we can sustain over time, little by little, every day until you get to exactly where you want to be, right? This isn't an overnight thing. It is a quality of life, long-term longevity thing, and that's what we do here. Thank you for visiting. If you want to know anything at all, or you want to reach out to me personally, just call the number below and we can talk about your goals and what you're looking to achieve for yourself and your life. Thanks.